Good day again everyone, and also Sir Noel. And also I have a code here that literate the pattern of butterfly, which is yan po. Dito po para po sa ating initialize size, which is equals to 5 lang, kasi po parang mas maliit. Dito po is mag-initialize tayo ng ating dito, condition, which is yung ating condition is I initialize po ulit tayo. I is equals to 0, then I is less than to our size, which is the value is 5, is true. Kaya magiging mapasok po siya dito sa ating isang which is yung j is equals to 0, and also yung papasok po siya dito sa j is less than or equal to I, which is 0 less than or equal to 0, which is true. True po. Kaya po ang mangyayari is magpiprint po siya ng star with space. Yan po. Then increment ulit po by 1. Ito po ang ating j. Magiging 0 plus 1 is equals to 1. Then mag-ano po ulit siya, increment ng 0 plus 1 is equals to 1. Then pasok po ulit siya, initialize po ulit tayo ng j, which is j, ang value po niya is 1 greater than or equals to I 0 is ayun nga po, 1 is less than or equal to 0 is false. Kaya po pasok po siya dito sa ating middle space, which is initial po ulit tayo ng j is equals to 1, tapos j is less than to 2, which is 1 less than to 2 is true, times yung size po natin is 5 minus I, which is 0 po yung ating I, then minus 1 is 5 minus 0 is equals to 5, then minus 1 is 4. Kaya ang mangyayari po is kung 2 times 4 is okay po. Ang mangyayari po is yung 2 times 4 is 8, less than to 1 is true. Kaya po is magpiprint po tayo ng space. Yan. Then increment po ulit number 2, kasi 1 plus 1 is 2, dahil dito po j increment by 1. Ano pong mangyayari dyan is ganito, 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. Yan, ganyan po mangyayari. Kaya naging 2. Increment po, initialize po ulit tayo. J 2 less than or equal to I 0 is false. Kaya pasok po dito tayo sa middle space, which is 2. Yun nga po, size is 5. Ang magiging ano po ito, 8, dahil po times ito po ay 4 times 2 equals to 8. 8 less than to 2 is true. Kaya space po ulit, pasok po ulit ang ating space. At po cursor ay nandito na po. Yan, nandiyan na po yung ating cursor. Then increment po ulit. I-increment po ulit siya ng 2. 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. Yan, 3 is less than or equal to 0 is false. Pasok po ulit siya dito sa middle space. Then size 5 minus 0 is equals to 5 minus 1 is 4, times 2 is 8. Then 8 less than to 3 is true. Kaya space po ulit siya. Print po siya ng space. Yan. Yan ang cursor natin is nandiyan na. Then initialize po ulit tayo. Magiging 3 plus magiging 3 plus 1 is 4. Magiging 4 na po siya. Then 4 less than or equal to I is 0. Is false. Pasok po ulit siya middle space. Then ito po is 4 times 2 is 8. 8 less than 4 is true. Kaya pasok po ulit siya ng space. Space. Yan po. Yan po yung cursor natin. Yan po yung pinaka-cursor natin. Then increment po ulit tayo ng 5. Dahil para sa right star po. Ganun. Increment po ulit siya ng 5. Then 5 increment by then ito na nga po, yung 4 is less than or equal to 0 is false. Pasok po siya dito sa middle space. Then size is 5 minus 0 is equal to 5 minus 1. 4 times 2 is 8. Then 8 less than to 4 is true. Kaya then po ulit siya ng space. Yan. Then increment po ulit ng 4 plus 1 is 5. And then 5 less than or equal to 1 5 less than or equal to 0 is false. Then pasok po ulit siya dito sa middle space. Ano po ulit tayo, yung condition. Pasok po sa next condition, which is yung initial po ulit tayo. Yung 5 yung 2 po is 4 times 2 is 8. Kaya po 8 less than to 5 is 3 pa din po. 3 pa din po yan. Space. Then ito po, nandiyan po yung pinaka-cursor natin. Then ano po ulit tayo, yung increment po ulit 6 na siya. Then yung 6 less than or equal to 0 is false. Then pasok po ulit siya dito sa panbago natin condition, which is initial po ulit tayo. Yung ito nga po, yung size is 5 minus 0 is equals to 5 minus 1 is 4 times 2 is 8. Then 8 less than or equal to 6 is true. Kaya ano po ulit siya ng space. Yan. Diyan na po yung ating cursor. Then magiging ano na po ito, 7. Magiging 7 less than or equal to 0 is false. Kaya pasok po ulit siya dito sa ating pangalawang condition, which is ito nga po is 4 times 2 is 8. 8 less than or less than 2, 7 is true pa din po. Kaya initial po ulit siya ng space. Yan. Nandiyan na po yung ating cursor. Then ano po ulit siya, increment ulit. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8. Yan na po. Then ano po ulit, 8 is less than or equal to 0. False. Then balik po, diretso pa tayo ng isang ano pa tawag dito, condition, which is ano po ulit natin ito nandito sa closed and open parenthesis, which is 4 times 2 is 8. 8 less than to 8 is true. Kaya pasok pa rin ang space, double space pa rin. Space. Yan. Diyan po yung ating cursor. Ay. Tama. Then magiging ano na po ito, 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. Magiging 9 less than or equal to 0 is false. Then pasok dito is ito is 4 times 2 is 8. 8 less than or equals to 9 is false. Kaya pasok ulit siya sa ating sunod na condition, which is j is equals to 9. J is less than or equal to 0. doon na po siya papasok na dahil true, pasok po ang condition, ang output. Yeah. Then add our initialization king 1, then ito po is babalik ng 0. Kaya po nadagdag po yung ating, kaya po pababa na yung ating initialization is dahil po ito ay naka-console.writeLang. And then plus 1 na siya, and j is less than or equals to 1 is true, kaya print siya ng isang star dito. Yan. Then add the value of j, which is 0 plus 1 is 1. Then initialize po ulit tayo. 1 is less than or equal to 1 is true, kaya atin po is pasok po yung ating output. Take the space. 1 plus 1 is magiging 2 na po, kasi mag-increment po ulit siya, magiging 2. Yan. Then also initialize po ulit tayo, balik po tayo ng initialize. Then initialize by 2 is 2 is less than or equal to 1 is false, kaya papasok po siya dito sa middle space, which is yung size nga po is 5 minus 1 is 4, minus 1 is 3, and 3 times 2 is equals to 6, kaya ang mangyayari po is 6 less than to 2 is true. Mag output po siya ng space. Then 1, 2, yan. Bali po andito na yung ating cursor. Then modify po ulit tayo, balik to sa modify po, magiging increment po ulit tayo ng 2 plus 1 is 3. Increment po ulit tayo ng 3. Then ano po ulit tayo, initialize po ulit tayo. 3 less than or equals to 1 is false, then pasok po tayo dito sa pangalawang condition, sa middle space, which is int. Initialize po ulit tayo ng j, so unahin po natin is itong nasa closing double parenthesis, which is 5 minus I, which is ang value ng s is 1 na, kaya 5 minus 1 is 4, minus 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, less than to 3 is true, kaya output po siya ng space. Yan. Then ano na po ulit tayo, modify. Increment po ulit by 1, 3 plus 1 is 4. Yan po. Then palagi nyo lang po matatandaan na bawat tapos ng bawat output is nag-i-increment po siya by 1 hanggat di natatapos yung mga condition. Yung j po natin is 4 na, kaya 4 less than or equals to 1 is false, kaya pasok po siya dito sa ating pangalawang condition, which is ito nga po, 3 times 6, 3 times 2 is equals to 6, and 6 less than or equals to 4 is print po siya ng output, which is yung space. 1, 2. Ayan, nandiyan po yung, ito na po yung ating cursor. Then modify po ulit tayo ng increment po ulit tayo. 4 plus 1 is 5. Ito po, 5 less than or equals to 1 is false, then pasok ulit tayo dito sa pangalawang condition. Then 3 times 2 is 6, 6 less than or equals to 6 less than to 5 is true, kaya print po ulit siya ng output, which is space 2. Then ito na po yung ating, yan po yung pinakang cursor natin. Then increment po ulit tayo ng by 1. 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. Yan. 6 is less than or equals to 1. Kaya po siya is false. Then pasok po dito sa mid pangalawang condition. Then ito nga po is 3 times 2 is equals to 6, kaya true pa siya. Less than to 6 is true, kaya magpiprint po siya ng isang space. Then ito po yung ating cursor. Yan po yung pinaka-cursor natin. Yan po ba yun? Tama. Then magiging 7 na po siya dahil increment po ulit siya. 7. Yan. Then 7 less than or equals to 1 is false. Then pasok po siya dito sa ating pangalawang condition, which is 6. 6 less than or equals to 7 is false. Kaya hindi po siya kaya pasok po siya dito sa pangalawa. And hindi pa siya mag-print ng ganun kasi may leak lang pa po siya ng isa. And dito na po yung ating cursor. Yan. Then ito po is 7 plus 1 is 8. Magiging 8 na po siya. Kaya ang pangyayari po is ito na nga po, initialize po ulit tayo ng 7 plus 1 is equals to 8. Then 7 is greater than or equals to 1 is false. Kaya pasok po siya dito sa isang condition, which is 5 minus 1 is equals to 4 minus 1 is 3. Then times 2 is equals to 6. 6 less than or equals to, magiging false siya. Kaya papasok po ulit siya dito sa ating third condition, which is ito nga po is 8 na. Ay, 0 pa rin po siya. Kasi hindi siya okay. 0 is less than or equals to 1 is true. Kaya pasok po ang output. Then space. Ano na po ulit tayo? Modify. Ito po is magiging 9. Then 8 plus 1 is 9. Then nga po, 9 is less than or equals to 1 is false. Then ito is 6 less than to 9 is false. Then pasok dito sa pangatlong condition, which is ito po is 0 plus 1 is magiging 1. Then yung J po is 1 less than or equals to 1 is true. Kaya pasok po ang ating output po siya ng isang star. Yan. Then next condition, initialization, because console that right line siya, magdadagdag na po ang ating initialization, which is 1 plus 1 is equals to 2 na. Then mangyayari po dito is babalik po ito sa 0. And also this 1 0. Then ito din po 0. Then yung J po is 0 less than or equals to 2 is true. Kaya ano siya ng print po siya ng star with space. And also increment po ulit siya by 1. Increment po siya ulit by 1. 1 less than or equals to 2 is true. Kaya pasok po ang output niya ng isang star. Star then increment po ulit siya ng 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. Kaya 2 less than or equals to 2 is true. Kaya pasok pa rin ang output niya. Then pagkas po nito is space. Then dito na po yung pinaka-cursor niya. Then modified na tayo. Modified yung na siya. 2 plus 1 is 3. Kaya magiging 3 na siya. Then 3 less than or equals to 2 is false. Then kaya pasok po siya sa second condition, which is ito nga po is yung size is 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. Then minus 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 less than to 3 is true. po siya. Kaya magaan po siya ng space. Then, increment po ulit by 4. Dahil 3 plus 1 is 4. Then, pasok po ulit siya dyan sa initialization. 4 less than or equals to 2 is false. Kaya pasok po siya dito sa pangalawang condition, which is, ito nga po is 4 ay 2 times 2 is equals to 4. Kaya 4 less than to 4 is false. Ano nga po? Para po doon sa second line is magiging 6 is less than or equals to 5. Kaya po siya mag-print ng space. Then po ulit siya ng mag-increment po ulit siya ng 6. Dahil 5 plus 1 is 6. Then 6 is less than or equals to 2 is false. Then lipat siya dito sa pangalawang condition, which is size is equals to 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Kaya ang mayayari is 8 less than to 6 is true. Kaya isa pa siya, isang space. Then 6 plus 1 is 7. Then papasok po siya sa initialization, which is yung value na po ng k is 7, and 7 is less than or equals to 2 is false. Kaya papasok po siya sa pangalawang condition, which is yung size nga po is size minus 1 is 5 minus 1 is 4, times 2 is equals to 8, less than to 7. Yung 8 pa is less than to 7 is true. Kaya print po ulit siya ng space, which is isa pang space. Balbang nandito na yung cursor natin. Then yan pa yung cursor natin. Okay. Kaya po ang nangyayari is 7 plus 1 is magiging 8 na po ito. Yung 8. Then 8 less than or equals to 2 is false. Kaya punta po siya dito sa kabilang condition, which is ito nga pong size is equals to 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. Bali 6 less than to 8 is false. Kaya pasok po siya dito sa pangatlong condition, which is yung 0 is less than or equals to 2 is true. Kaya papasok po yung magpiprint po yung ating condition, ay yung ating output. Then space, magiging 9 po ito. Ay 8 pa lang, wala. Bali po magiging 8 kasi pagkamali ko na. Then ang mangyayari po is yun nga po, condition is magiging dito rin po yung bagsak. Ito yung magiging 1. Then yung I po, yung J po ba is less than or equals to I, which is ang value nila is 1 less than or equals to 2. Kaya ang sagot is true. Kaya mag-print po siya ng isang star. Then space. Then ito po is magiging 9. Then ito po is magiging 2. Yan. Ito is 9. Yan. Kaya 9 is less than or equals to 2 is false. Then 6 is greater than to 9 is false. Kaya pasok po siya dito. 2 is less than or equals to 2. Kaya po siya is magiging mag-output na po siya ng star. Then space. Ay. Space. Then ito na po. Ito po is magiging 3 na. Kasi nga po 2 plus 1 is 3. Dahil nag-increment din po siya. Then ito po is 0. Then 0 is greater than or equals to 3 is true. Kaya po papasok po yung space, hindi, yung star dito po sa third column. Then space. Then mag-increment po ulit siya. 0 plus 1 is 1. Kaya 1 less than or equals to 3 is true. Kaya magpiprint yung output ng star. Then ano po ulit tayo? Modify. Yung initialization po ulit tayo. Initial by yung initialization po niya is yung value po niya is madadagdagan kasi 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. And 2 is less than or equals to 3 is true. Kaya pasok po yung kanyang magpiprint po yung kanyang yan. Then sunod po is mag-modify po ulit siya. Then increment po ulit, initialization. Ayan, i-initialize po ulit tayo ng kasi po mag-increment yung j++, which mean is 2 plus 1 is 3. Kaya ang nangyayari is 3 is less than or equals to 1, a is equals to 3 is true. Kaya pasok po ulit ang kanyang output na star with space. Ayan. Then increment po ulit siya by 1, magiging 4. Yung 4 ba is less than or equals to 3, kaya siya is magiging false. Kaya siya is pupunta dito sa middle sa bagong condition, which is ito. Yung size is 5 minus 1 is equals to 5 minus 1 is equals to 4 minus 1 is 3 times 2 is 6. Then 6 less than or equals to 0 is true. Kaya ang piprint po siya ng space. Yan, space. Then ito na po yung pinaka-cursor niya. Ay, sa gitna ata. Yan. Dahil katapat po ng 5. Then increment po ulit siya. Giging 5 na po ito dahil 4 plus 1 is 5. Kaya 5 is less than or is equals to 3 is false. Pasok po ulit siya dito sa walang condition. Kaya ang mangyayari is ito naman is mag-increment din po 0 to 1. Kaya ito po is 3 times 2 is 6. 6 less than or is equals to 1 is true. Kaya pasok po yung kanyang yan po. Yan po space. Then nga po magiging ano na to, yung 6 na po dahil ito is 6 na din. Mali po kasi yung kanina. Ito po is 6 is less than or equals to 3. Kaya magiging false. Pasok po dito sa mid. 6 is less than or equals to 6. Kaya siya po is magiging 6 is magiging false. Kaya po siya is papasok dito sa ating output. Hindi. Sa ating sa condition, which is yung kanya pong value ng j is 0 pa lang kasi hindi po siya nagbabago. Hindi katulad po nitong dalawa na nagbabago. Kaya po is 0 is less than or equals to 3 is true. Kaya print po siya ng condition, output. Then click down. Then balik po tayo, initialize ulit. Then 6 plus 1 is 7. Then ito po is 0 plus 1 is 1. Yan nga po, 7 is equals to 7 is less than or equals to 3 is false. Then ito po is 6 is less than to 7 is false. Then pasok po ulit siya sa pangatlong condition, which is j is less than or equals to I, which is 1 less than or equals to 3. Kaya po siya is magiging true and continue po yung kanyang output and space. Then, yan nga po, ito is magiging 8. Magiging 8. Then, ito is magiging 2. Kasi po, 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. Then, yun po, 8 is less than or is equals to 3. Kaya po siya is false. Then, dito sa pangalawang condition, 6 is less than or equals to 8 is false. Kaya pasok din po ulit siya dito sa pangatlong condition, which is 2 less than or is equals to 3 is true. Kaya po, papasok po yung output niya na star and space.
Naglaro pala kayo niya.
Alam naman. Then, increment po ulit siya by 1. Plus 8 plus 1 is 9. Then, ito po is 2 plus 1 is 3. Yan. Giging 3 na po siya. Then, 3 is less than or equals to 3 is true. Kaya, papasok po siya ng output na yan. Tapos, magka-console that right line po siya. Kaya po siya is bababa na dahil tapos na po yung line. Kaya po siya is magbabago na rin po at mag-increment na din po siya. Magiging 3 plus 1 is 4. Then, ito po is babalik sa 0. 0 and 0. Kaya po siya is magiging dito po sa ating unang condition is sa itong unang initialization is yung j is 0 is greater than or equals to 4. Kaya po siya is true. Kaya mag-print po ulit siya ng with space. Then, modified po ulit tayo. Then, increment. 0 plus 1 is 1. Kaya, 1 less than or equals to 4 is true. Kaya, pasok po ulit tayo ng isang output. Then, space. Then, modified ulit. Then, increment. 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. Then, yun nga po, nag-increment nga po siya. Then, 2 is less than or equals to 4. Kaya po siya is true. Pasok ulit ng isang yan. Then, space. Modified po ulit tayo. Then, initialization po ulit. Increment 2 plus 1 is 3. Then, 3 is less than or equals to 4. Kaya po siya is true ulit. Then, pasok ng output. And, space with modified ulit tayo. Then, initialization, magiging increment po ulit. Then, 4. And 4 less than or equals to 4 is true. Kaya, pasok po ulit tayo dito sa output na star. Kaya po siya is, yan. Then, space. Then, ito po is 4 na din. Then, magiging 5 dahil 5. Mag-increment po ulit tayo. 4 plus 1 is 5. Kaya po naging 5. Then, 5 is less than or equals to 4 ba is false. Kaya pasok po ito to second condition. Then, yung size ba is 5. Minus I is 4. 0. And 0 is, kaya po siya is 0 is less than to 5. Kaya po siya is magiging, kaya po siya mapupunta dito sa third condition, which is ito naman po is hindi po siya nagbabago, hindi katulad nito. Sabi ko nga po kanina, hindi po siya katulad nito. Kaya po siya is 0 pa din. And 0 is less than or equals to 4. True. Kaya print po ulit siya ng panibagong yan. And space. And then add na po ito. Mag-increment po tayo ng by 1. 6. Tapos ito po is 1. Kasi po dito ay 6 lang. Kasi po dito sa first and second condition is hindi na po siya magto-true. Kaya po ida-direct na po natin dito sa third condition, which is 1 is less than or equals to yung value nga po ng ating I is 4. Kaya po ang nangyayari is true dahil 1 is less than or equals to 4. Kaya true. Kaya po siya is output ng star and space. Then modified po ulit tayo. Then ito po is increment by 2, increment 7, and increment 7. Then yan nga po, alam nga natin magpa-false ang dalawa, kaya direct na po natin dito sa third condition, which is 2 is less than or equals to 4. Kaya po siya is magpe-print ulit ng panibagong output. Then space para po, kasi po may space ito po, space yan. Then increment po ulit tayo. 7 plus 1 is 8, 7 plus 1 is 8. Then dito po is 2 plus 1 is 3. Kaya po ang nangyayari is direct na po ulit tayo dito sa third condition, which is dahil nga po ito magiging magpa-false ito na lang. Kaya dito na po tayo direct, 3 is less than or equals to 4. Kaya po siya is magiging true. Kaya po siya true. Space. Then ano po ulit tayo, modified. Initialization po ulit tayo ng J. Mag-increment po siya ng 3 plus 1 is 4. Kaya po 4 less than or equals to 4 is true. Kaya po is mag-print po ulit siya ng isang output. Yan po. Bali po ito yung pinakang upper part. Then ito po yung pinakang lower part, which is ganun din po, kaso is babalik ta rin lang po yung mga pinaliwanag ko nung dun sa upper part, which is ang gagawin lang po is parang ganun lang din po sa kanina, which is magpiprint lang po ulit siya ng kagaya ng dun sa kanina, pero parang siyang nakabaliktad, parang like this. Ganito ang makalabasan niya. Magpiprint po ulit siya ng isang direct. Then dito po is para pong yung salamin sila. Ganyan po ang kakalabasan nila pag natapos nag-end yung inyong code. Palagi po siya may space dahil yung inyong condition is may space po. Yan, ganyan po ang kanyang kakalabasan. Dahil po, binaliktad lang po yung yan po. Yan po yung pinakang output ng butterfly, which is kagaya po nito. Wait po, kasi po may nabago ako, kaya nagkaganon. Ito po, gawin natin itong 0, then ito is 0, then ito is 0, then ito po is 0. Yan, ganyan po ang kakalabasan. Thank you po.